Hi, my name is Mahi Maskar. I'm a founder of a startup named Digital Enlarge. Basically, my vision to start this startup, basically, we have small as well as a large client in a business. So we want them to a digital transformation. You know, if they are a single channel, we put them on multi-channel. If they are desktop version, we provide them a mobile application. If they are offline, we put them in online. So these are the major objective we want to bring this startup on. For this, I have multiple services we offer, such as web development, graphic design, um, SEO, as well as e-commerce, Amazon, content writing, video editing, so and as well as email solution. So these are the altogether services we offer under one platform. Now, for this, I got a dedicated team, which has ability to resolve any kind of task within a deadline and provide efficient services. As become I've been myself CEO. We have a graphic designer, web developer, mobile application programmer, as well as social media marketing team. Okay. What is the objective to bring this startup in the market? In many years, there is a concept of people using for marketing. It is a traditional one, like putting a lot of money on TV ads, like paperwork on newspaper, as well as traditional banners. So there was the concept from the old days. Now we have internet, as you know. Business move already on internet, and you know that social media such as Facebook, Instagram, within Pakistan there's 50 million users. So why not their businesses? uh, we grow them, or we put the right direction, put the right targets audience to their business to grow up incredibly. So I please you to please visit our website at www.digitalinvoice.com, so you may find us further. And thank you so much.